Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a whole bunch of my favorite spring lipsticks. So let's all just take a moment of silence and say a prayer for my lips. And on top of that, I did recreate a look that Amalvarado79 on Instagram did tag me in, and I will put that over here. I will put that picture right here. How did I do? Did I do pretty good? It was with the ABH Riviera palette. I thought I did pretty good. I mean, considering this is on an arm. The original creator to this look was Megan Beth. If you guys would like to go over to my Instagram and check out my Instagram as well, I will also link that underneath. And let's get on with this. If you guys would like me to recreate looks, you can tag me on Instagram, be it yours or someone else's, something that you think I absolutely cannot recreate, or something that you want to embarrass me with, or something that you think that I could actually pull off and be awesome at. And I will recreate your look for a video that does not require a tutorial in it. What? So a video such as this, where I'm just doing lip swatches, I can definitely recreate the looks you guys tag me in. So don't forget to do that. Oh, hi, baby. What are you doing?
No.
No.
Yes. No.
Your butt's falling out of your diaper. Butt diaper. Oh my gosh. Look at her butt. Oh my gosh. Look at her butt.
Oh my gosh. Look at this butt. Oh my gosh. Look at this butt. Oh my gosh. Look at this butt. Oh my gosh. Look at this butt.
Alright, so if you guys want to see my favorite selection of spring lipsticks, then just keep watching. Sorry for the noise. Okay, if you have made it to the end of this video, I am doing a small giveaway for you guys, and this giveaway is sponsored by Crystal Ryan because she accidentally bought me a repeat shade that I had in my collection. So, why don't you head over to her channel? I will link her above if I know how, but definitely in the description, and leave her a thank you for this lipstick. It is the very first color I swatched, Sorry Not Sorry. I know, Crystal. I know you're not sorry. And it is a very hot, purpley, vibrant, purple, pink, purpleness. And it was the first color, so if you guys were interested or you liked that color, I am giving one away for you guys. This will end on April 1st, and that is for a specific reason, and you will see why on April 1st. But if you guys would like to be entered in the giveaway, all you have to do is just put your favorite color that I swatched today. And that's all I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my daughter. I'm sorry about that, but I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Hey guys, welcome to my... Okay. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna... This looks ridiculous. Sorry, I had to do my... Okay, I'm done. Where is it? Ah, there it is. I found it.